Hello friends, today I am going to unbox my new portable power bank. It's a wireless power bank. It's a 10,000 milliampere hour magnetic wireless battery, and it's a slim, small, pocket friendly, portable, and you can see here the technical specifications of this power bank, its capacity. It support type C with the highest output, fast charging capability, and the net weight is 192 gram, and it's a UK based brand. They are making this new type of wireless charging portable power bank. Okay, so let's open it. So here we can see it's a sign for open, but maybe it's a little bit sticky, so we can use our cutter to cut the face of this box, and it's almost there. Yes, so it's a heavy 192 gram. It's not and this is a USB-C cable for the charging. It comes with this box, and it's a type C to type C, as we can see here. Okay, let's go inside and see. Okay, we can see here. Let's bring it out. The packaging is nice. Okay, so this is the charger. This is the main battery, and here is some user manual. As we know that all the electronic product has some small books like user manual. Yes, we don't need to look at it. And this is the main important thing. It's 24 months warranty card. So when I scan this QR code, then the 2 years warranty will be activated. Okay, so, and it's a heavy. Yeah, it seems like more than 192 gram, but let's uncover it. Okay, wow, it's a fully metallic body, matte finish, silver, and it feels like a kind of Apple product, like MacBook. It feels like the body like MacBook finish, and this side is, it's covered with a little bit grip, the rubber grip, and in the middle this, the coil, the charging coil place, it's again, it's the like the same material, but grip is good. And it's a here the high it's little bit innovative. Let it say hi. And as you can see here, it's the model number MB1 10000. Type C input output wireless charging capability, and it's, as we know, all the product manufactured in made in China, but it's UK based company, the Hinovo. And you can see here the notifications bar for charging, how much charge is left, and this is the port, type C port to connect with this cable. And yeah, this is the power button to turn on. Yeah, so that's it. It's a very nice, small, pocket friendly, not so much heavy, and metal finish. Nice. So that's it from today. See you soon with another new unboxing video. Until then, bye bye.